boys, girls, welcome to going to our cool song from Melanie Martinez, Uncanny Valley, Uncanny. Anyway, a cool song. Let's go into this one. As you can see, capo on third. And before we go into this tutorial, I just want to highlight my secondary YouTube channel. I would highly appreciate if you could support me there. It's a new started channel. It's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago, where I play a song from you from A to C, all the way through with chords. You can just play along and learn a full song. So yeah, check out my channel 6 Strings Ago. Let's go into this one now. Capo on third, like I mentioned. We have a couple of chords, like 5 or so, starting with A minor. We have open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is D minor, which is open D, second G, third B, and first E. We move on to C, third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have F as well, which is a bar chord, so play index finger on this first fret to push down all strings there. Then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. And then we have the fifth and final, very awkward chord. It's like G sharp add 9. That will be kind of the technical name. It's a little bit different still, but I will call it the G sharp, okay? So it goes fourth E, then third A, second D, and fourth G, open B, and open E. Yeah, there we have it. Now, let's look into the strumming pattern. And we have a 2 split here because we need that later on in the course. So if you grab the first chord, A minor, 1 full round goes like this. So the first part will be down, 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 up. I like to play the first 2 downs on the bass strings, really like that, and then the down, down, up on the higher mid area. So. And then it continues with part 2, which is up, down, down, up, up. So, up, down, down, up, up. And that comes right after the first part, so there's no waiting or pause in between. You just go there. So, down, 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 up, down, down, up, up. That is 1 round. A couple rounds. So let's start the song, and that is actually how it does. The first verse goes with A minor, 2 full string rounds, both part 1 and part 2, for 2 times. And then you go to D minor, 1 full round, and then back to A minor, 1 round. And that will be 1 chord progression. So notice it starts with A minor and it ends with A minor. A minor 2, D minor 1, A minor 1. That's 1 chord progression round. You're going to play for 2 rounds. Let's do 1 round together. It goes like this. Alright, 2 rounds of that. Into the pre-chorus next at 31 seconds in. So please don't tell me, and so on. That's around the lyrics. So the first half goes C, 1 full round, D minor, 1 round, F, 1 round, and D minor, 1 round. That's the first half. Second half goes C, 1 round, D minor, 1 round, and F, 1 round. And there's a pause there. So only 3 chords in the second round. The pause makes up for the fourth and kind of empty chord. So let's do this together. C, D minor, F, D minor, C, D minor, F, and a pause. And then comes the chorus. 54 seconds in. Is that what you want? Question. That's where in the lyrics. 54 seconds in, starts the chorus. Now you're going to play C, 1 round, D minor, 1 round. And here comes the reason why we had 2 split. We're going to play A minor, 1 round plus part 1. So that means down, 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 up, down, up, like one round, and then down, 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 up. And that's it for A minor. And then why? Because we have this G sharp played only 2 downs. Down, down. Like pauses in between. And that will end this chord progression round. So C1, D minor 1, A minor 1 plus part 1, and then 2 downs on the G sharp. That will be 1 round. You play for 2 rounds. So let's do it. And so I missed on that second chord, which is the C. Again. Yes, it's a little bit awkward. I'm still not used to that G sharp. There we have it. Okay, so a little bit mixed up there, but that is the chords play. Okay, and then you just go into the second round here, played exactly the same as the first we just learned. So just repetition, guys. And then you go into the bridge part after this second chorus at 2 minutes and 31 seconds in. What you're gonna play there is the chorus play for 4 round. Okay, the last 2 rounds, that is kind of an outro right after the bridge part, and out of this 4, so that means 2 rounds for bridge, 2 rounds for outro, and you're gonna play kind of picking patterns. So from that chorus it will be something like that. Never get used to that chord. But hey guys, that's it. Okay, so Uncanny Valley from Melanie Martinez. You have all the tools to handle this song. And again, I want to highlight my secondary YouTube channel, Gruvgear Guitar, 6 turns ago. Go check that one out and get the full song. Hope to see you soon, guys. Next time, play tuned.